You open your phone, type a quick hello, and hit send. It's an action we do dozens of times a day without even blinking. But what actually happens in that tiny fraction of a second? How does your text get out of your device, travel across cities or oceans, and land perfectly on your friend's screen? To answer that, we have to look at this structure. This is the OSI model, a 7-step blueprint that makes all internet communication possible. This system functions as an international logistics and postal service, but instead of sorting physical packages, it is built exclusively to handle digital data. When these 7 steps work in harmony, they create a highly organized, invisible global infrastructure that moves data across the world in an instant. Let's start at the very top of the diagram with layer 7, the application layer. This is the entry point. When you open an app, it's like walking up to a post office counter and handing your written letter directly to the desk clerk. Your software applications live right here, taking your text and interacting with the network to get it ready to move. We drop down one step to layer 6, the presentation layer. This part of the system translates your data into a readable format and encrypts it. Think of our clerk taking your message and sealing it inside a heavy-duty, padlock-secured envelope for a safe journey. Next is layer 5, the session layer. This step manages the actual connection line between your phone and your friend's phone. Our clerk picks up the dispatch radio, calls the destination post office, and tells them exactly when to keep their receiving dock open. These top 3 layers act as the front office prep work, ensuring your message is translated, secured, and properly coordinated before it ever tries to leave your device. Now we move out of the front office and into the heavy logistics warehouse. Here in layer 4, the transport layer, your secure data is broken down into smaller, manageable pieces called packets. It's like taking that secure envelope and packing it into several smaller, numbered shipping boxes so nothing gets jammed in transit. We move down to layer 3, the network layer. This acts as a digital GPS system. It figures out the absolute fastest, most efficient route across the internet, slapping exact tracking labels onto every single one of those numbered boxes. Right before dispatch, we hit layer 2, the data link layer. This is pure quality control. The system checks every packet to detect errors or corruption, making sure our shipping boxes haven't taken any damage on the warehouse floor. Finally, we reach the absolute bottom. Layer 1 is the physical layer, where digital concepts turn into physical reality. Your data is converted into raw ones and zeros, traveling as radio waves over Wi-Fi, or pulsing as light through a fiber optic cable. These bottom 4 layers do the heavy lifting of dismantling, addressing, inspecting, and physically launching your data across the globe. So what happens when those physical signals reach your friend's phone? The ones and zeros crash directly into their device's layer 1. Instantly, the receiving phone runs the exact same process, but in reverse. It sprints upward, checking the data for errors, reassembling the packets, and decrypting the secure envelope. The message hits the top, the app opens, and your friend reads hello just a second after you sent it. To keep these 7 technical layers in the right order, technicians often use a specific phrase that moves from the bottom to the top. Look at this graphic here, reading upward from layer 1. Notice the highlighted first letters, PDNTSPA. That phrase is, "Please do not throw sausage pizza away." Every time you stream a video, send a text, or open an app, this massive, invisible 7-step relay race is happening flawlessly in the background. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more plain language tech guides.